friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make boho style napkin rings. I got these beads from Walmart and separated them by their color. For the first project, I'm going to use 2 elastic bands and then add some beads. I'm going to use this wire as a needle to put some beads into it. I'm going to use 9 beads at this time, but the amount of beads depends on the thickness of your napkin or the length of your napkin, and also the size of the beads. The bigger the beads, fewer we need. So we don't want the napkin ring to be loose around the napkins. We want it to hold it tightly so it shouldn't open itself. So here is my ring done. To finish the design, I'm going to use some jute twine and make a tassel from it. And then I will attach the tassel to the ring and complete the design with it. So for my second design, I'm going to use jute twine and put 1 bead into it. The length of your jute twine depends on the thickness of your napkin, so be careful with that. These are the 2 beads that I can use, but I'm going to use this one because of the shape. So once I will insert it in one side, I'm going to pull the thread from the opposite direction into the bead. The color of the beads depends on your preference. You can use darker version or the lighter version of it, but people love to use the nude color more because it matches almost every other color. And also you can use macrame, a rope, or the jute twine for these designs. It depends on what you prefer and what matches more with the design of your home. For this design, I need only these 3 beads, and then I'm going to use a lighter to burn out the extra stuff around, and our design is done. For our third design, I need to burn the twine before using it, I used almost 13 beads to make this design, but the amount of beads depends on the thickness of your napkin. And then I'm going to use the same method as I used for the second design. This method is going to give you a room to adjust the napkin ring and put the napkin into it. I hope you like these designs. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to support me. Thank you so much for watching.